Hello everyone. Welcome back to another lecture on reasoning ability and problem solving. In today's lecture, we will discuss some practice questions from coding and decoding. So let us begin. Now, before we start this lecture, let us revise the concepts that we will use while solving questions on coding and decoding. The first concept is of forward rank. What do you mean by forward rank? Basically, we assign numbers to each alphabet in increasing order. That means A is assigned 1, B is assigned 2, C is assigned 3 until Z is assigned 26. So these are your forward ranks. There is a shortcut to remember forward rank which we have discussed, which is called agility. Correct? E is 5, J is 10, O is 15, T is 20, and Y is 25. So this is also a shortcut that is used to remember the forward ranks. The second concept is of backward ranks. What do you mean by backward rank? Backward ranks is similar to forward rank except that now the numbers are assigned numbers basis on decreasing order. That means A is assigned 26, B is assigned 25, and so on until Z is assigned 1. So this is your backward rank. One more concept, that forward rank plus backward rank is always equal to 27. Okay. Third concept is of opposite letters. What do you mean by opposite letters? Basically, we arrange the alphabets in a certain way that they come in pair. Okay. For example, if I arrange the alphabets like this: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. And then I again start from here: N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So this is the case of opposite letters. So A is opposite to Z, B is opposite to Y, C is opposite to X, D is opposite to W, E is opposite to V, F is opposite to U, G is opposite to T, H is opposite to S, I is opposite to R, J is opposite to Q, K is opposite to P, L is opposite to O, and M is opposite to N. So this is the concept of opposite letters. And the fourth concept we will use is loop. What do you mean by loop? For example, from X, Y, Z. From Z, if I have to move one position forward, we don't have any alphabet after Z, right? So if I have to move one position forward from Z, I will start again from A. Okay, that is after Z we move in a loop. We start again from A. Similarly, if I have to move two positions forward, I will do it like this. Two positions forward from Z will give me B. Similarly, if I have to move three positions backward from C, now we do not have any alphabet before A, so we will go back to Z. So three position back from C will be 1, 2, 3, which is Z. Clear? So based on these four concepts, we can solve any question on coding and decoding. So let us start with question number 1. Question number 1 says, in a certain language, productions is written as this. We have to find out how orientation will be written in that particular code language. Okay, so whenever you get question like this, we write the word which is productions, correct? And below this, just beneath this, we will write the code which is QQPC VEUHPM. This is the code, right? Now I will give them forward ranks. So P is 16, R is how much? 18, O is 15, D is 4, U is 21, C is 3, T is 20, I is 9, O is 15, N is 14, S is 19. With time, as many questions as you solve on coding and decoding, you will just by heart remember the forward ranks. Initially, you can write them on a piece of paper and reference to them. With time, you will remember them. Okay. Q is how much? 17, 17. P is 16. C is 3. V is how much? 22. E is 5. This is 21. H is 8. P is again 16. M is 13. And T is 20. Now let us look at these alphabets. From 16 to 17 if I go. From 16 to 17 is plus 1. Correct? From 18 to 17 is minus 1. From 15 to 16 again plus 1. From 4 to 3 minus 1. From 21 to 22 plus 1. From 3 to 5. From 3 to 5 is plus 2. From 20 to 21 is minus 1. Sorry, plus 1. From 9 to 8 is minus 1. From 15 to 16 is plus 1. From n to 13 is minus 1. And from 19 to 20 is plus 1. So basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters front and back. So PRODU and TIONS. These 5 letters and these 5 letters are alternating between plus 1 and minus 1. Correct? The middle term C and E is moving by plus 2. The middle term is moving by plus 2. So let us do the same thing for orientation. Okay, for orientation. So let me write the alphabets first. We have O, R, I, E, N, T, A, T, I, O, N. So first 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the last 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these will follow plus 1, minus 1. This one will follow plus 2. So T plus 2T is 20, plus 2 will be 22. 22 is what position? 22 is V. 22 is V. Okay. Now starting from O, we have 15, 18, 9, 5, 14. And over here we have 1, 20, 9, 15 and 14. So 15 we will go plus 1. Plus 1 that means 16th. 16th position we have B. Okay. 18 minus 1, 17. 17th position we have Q. Correct? I plus 1. Plus 1 will give me 10. We have J. E minus 1 we have 4 which is D. N plus 1 we have 15 which is O. Correct? Over here again A plus 1 we will have 2 which is B. Correct? 22 we have V. Yes. So we have B. Correct? Over here 20 T. T if I move minus 1 I'll get 19. We will have what? At 19th position we will have S. Correct? We will have S. Over here plus 1. 10th position we will have J. Over here O minus 1 we will have 14th position N. And over here plus 1 we will have 15th position A. So the code will be P Q J D O V B S J N O. So this is given in which option? P Q J D O V B S J N O. This is given in option number 1. So option number 1 will be the correct answer to this question. Okay? Option number 1 will be your answer. Moving on to question number 2. Question number 2, summer is coded as runner. We have to find the code for winter. So SUMMER. This is coded as RUNNER. So second letter and last 2 letters remain the same. Second letter and last 2 letters remains the same. S is 19. This is 13. This is 13. R is 18. This is 14. This is 14. So basically this is minus 1 and this is plus 1 plus 1. Correct? This is plus 1 and plus 1. So let's do the same thing for winter. In winter, the last 2 will remain the same. So E and R will remain the same and the second will also remain the same. That is I will remain the same. Correct? I will remain the same. Now from W, I will go minus 1. So W is how much? W is 23. So I'll go 22 which is V. Correct? I'll go V. N is 14. So now I'll go plus 1 which is 15. So O and T is 20. I'll go plus 1 which is 21 which is U. So my code will be VIOUER which is given in option number 2. So option number 2 is the correct answer to this question. Clear? Now, moving on to question number 3. Question number 3, in a certain language, basic is written like this. We have to find the code for leader. We have to find the code for leader. So, let us write them. Basic. The code is DDULE. So, giving them forward ranks. 2, 1. 19, correct? I is 9 and C is 3. Similarly, this will be 4, 4, 21, 12. E is how much? E is 5. So here I can see plus 2. Here I can see plus 3. Here I can see plus 2. Here I can see plus 3. And here again I can see plus 2. So basically alternating between plus 2 and plus 3. So we will do the same thing for leader. Correct? These are the alphabets. Giving them forward ranks. L is 12. E is 5. A is 1. D is 4. E is 5. R is 18. So if I go plus 2, I will get 14. If I go plus 3, I'll get 8. If I go plus 2, I'll get 3. If I go plus 3, I'll get 7. If I go plus 2, I'll get 7. And if I go plus 3, I'll get how much? 21. Correct? So at 14th, we have N. At 8th, we have H. At 3, we have C. 7, we have G. 21, we have U. So the code is NHCGGU, which is given in which option? It is given in option number 2. So option number 2 is the correct answer to this question. Okay. Moving forward to question number 4. Question number 4 says, in a certain language, miracle is coded as this. We have to find the code for gamble. Okay. We have to find the code for gamble. Now, I will write them one beneath the other. Correct? So, MIRACLE. It is coded as NKUEHRL. So, giving them forward ranks. This is 13, 9, 18, 1, 3. L is how much? 12. E is 5. So, I will give these also rank. N is how much? 14. K is 11. U is how much? U is 21. This is 5. H is 8. R is 18. And L is 12. So, from 13 to 14 plus 1. Let me use a different pen, okay, to highlight. From 13 to 14 plus 1. From 9 to 11 plus 2. From 18 to 21 plus 3. From 1 to 5 plus 4. From 3 to 8 plus 5. From 12 to 18 plus 6. And from 5 to 12 plus 7. So basically they are increasing order, right? Increasing by 1 in each case. So we will do the same thing for gamble also. Gamble will be written as GAMBLE. What are the forward ranks? G is 7, A is 1, M is 13, B is 2, L is 12 and E is 5. So now I will move plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5 and plus 6 since there are 6 alphabets. So 7 plus 1 will give me 8th rank. 1 plus 2 will give me 3 rank. 13 plus 3 will give me 16th rank. 2 plus 4 will give me 6th rank. 12 plus 5 will give me 17th rank and 5 plus 6 will give me 11th rank. So at 8th rank we have H, correct? 8th rank we have H. 3rd rank we have C. 16th we have P. 6th we have F. 17th we have Q. 11th we have K. So my code will be HCPFQK and this is given in option number 3. So option number 3 will be the correct answer to this question. Clear? Now, moving on to question number 5. Question number 5, Delhi is coded like this. We have to find how Bombay will be coded in that language. So I will start by writing Delhi, correct? And beneath this, I will write CCIDD. So D is 4, this is 5. L is 12. H is 8, I is 9. C is 3, 3, I is 9, 4 and 4. So now let us see how much is changed. So from 4 to 3 is minus 1. From 5 to 3 is minus 2. From 12 to 9 is minus 3. From 8 to 4 is minus 4. And from 9 to 4 is minus 5. So basically reducing by 1 more. Correct? So we will do the same thing for Bombay. Bombay is BOMBAY. Codes are 2, 15, 13, 2, 1 and 25. Correct? So I will go -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and -6 since there are 6 alphabets now. Okay? So what code will I get? 1, 13, 10. From 2 if I go -4. See, we have A, B, C and X, Y, Z. Or you can write it like W, X, Y, Z, A, B. So from B, if I'm going -4, 1, 2, 3, 4, I will go to X. And what is the position for X, which is 24. So here I will get 24. From B, if I go -4, I will get 24. From A, if I go -5, now, from A, if I go -5, this is U, V, W, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will go to 22 position. And from 25, if I'm going -6, I will go to 19th position. So 1 is for A, 13 is for M. Correct? 10 is for J, 24 is for X, 22 is for V, and 19 is for S. So my code is AMJXVS, and this is given in option number 2. So option number 2 will be the correct answer to this question. Okay? Moving on to question number 6. Question number 6, we have spring is coded like this. We have to find the code for the word mobile. So SPRING is coded as UNUFRC. So S is 19, P is 16, R is 18, I is 9, N is how much? 14, G is 7. U is 21, 14, 21, 6, 18 and 3. So this I can see is basically 19 to 21 is plus 2. This is -2. This is plus 3. And this is -3. And this is plus 4. And this is -4. So now it is basically alternating between +2, -2, +3, -3, +4, -4. Correct? This is how it is alternating. So now let us do it for mobile as well. So mobile, the codes are 13, 15, 2, 9, L is 12, E is 5. So plus 2 will give me 15, -2 will give me 13. Plus 3 will give me 5, -3 will give me 6. Plus 4 will give me 16 and -4 will give me 1. So 15 is O, 13 is M, 5 is E, correct? Then 6 is F, 16 is P and 1 is A. So the code is OMEFPA and this is given in which option? This is given in option number 4. So option number 4 will be the correct answer to this question, right? Okay. Moving forward to question number 7. Sight is written like this. We have to find how reveal will be written in that language. So sight, SIGHT is written as FVTUG. So S is 19, 9, G 7, 8, 20. F is 16, sorry, F is 6, V is 22, T is 20. U is how much? 21, G is 7. So if I look over here, 9 to 22. From 9, if we are moving to 22, how much we are increasing? We are increasing it by 13, correct? From 7 to 20 also we are increasing by 13. From 8 to 21 also we are increasing by 13. Now from 19 to 6 I am coming. So let me write the alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Correct? These are your alphabets. From 19th, which is S, if I have to move 13 positions forward, I will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So if I am going to F, that means I am going plus 13. Similarly, from T, let us see, from T I have to go 13 positions forward. So from T, if I have to go 13 positions forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, I will get G. So this is also plus 13. That means we have added 13 in each alphabet. So we will do the same thing for reveal. We will follow the same logic. So R is how much? R is 18. This is 5. This is 22. This is 5. This is 1. And this is 12. So if I add 13, what will I get from R? Let us check from R. So from R, if I add 13, I am getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I will get 5, which is E. Okay. In E, if I add 13, I will get 18. And at 18th position, we have R. Correct? From V, if I add 13, let us check from V. From V, if I add 13, this is V. Correct? It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, which is I. Correct? So it will be I, which is 9. Right? From E, again, if I add 13, it will be 18, which is R. From A, if I add 13, it will be 14, which is N. And in L, if I add 13, it will be 25, which is Y. So the code will be ERIRNY, which is given in option number 4. So option number 4 will be the correct answer to this question. Okay. Now, question number 8. Question number 8, truth is coded like this. Then what is the code for false? Now, if you look over here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 alphabets, and the code has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 alphabets. That means it is double the alphabets. So for each alphabet, we have 2 letters as code. For each alphabet, we have 2 letters as code. So let us see how it is coded. Okay. Truth, TRUTH, is basically written as SUQSTVSUGI. Correct? So if I look at first two, S and U, it comes like this. STU, that is T is in between S and U. If I look at R, R is between Q and S. If I look at U, U is between T and V. Again, T is between S and U, and H is between G and I. That means for each alphabet, we have taken the previous alphabet as well as the next alphabet in English alphabetical series. So for false, we will do the same, right? For false, we will take the first front alphabet and the back alphabet. So it is E, F, and then G. Okay. For A, it will be Z and B because looping, correct? For L, which alphabets will it be? K and M. For S, it will be R, T, and for E, it will be D and F. So we have taken the previous alphabet as well as the next alphabet. So the code will be E, G, Z, B, K, M, R, T, D, F. And this is given in option number 3. So option number 3 will be the correct answer to this question. Clear? Now let us look at question number 9. Question number 9, be quick is coded like this. We have to find the code of the last letter of the third word in this sentence. So third word is M and the last letter is Y. So we have to basically find the code for Y. Okay, we have to find the code for Y. Now, if I look over here, B is 2, Z is 26, E is 5, C is 3. So we are going 2 positions back, right? We are going 2 positions back. Similarly, we can check. For Q, it is 17. For O, it is 15. So 2 positions back. U is 21. S is 19. 2 positions back. So here also we'll go 2 positions back. If I go 2 positions back from Y, Y is what is the rank? 25th. 2 positions back means 23rd rank. And at 23rd rank, we have W. So my answer will be simply option number 4, W. Okay. So this concludes today's lecture. Thank you.